Congratulations on your new bundle of joy. Today, we'll guide you on how to burp your newborn baby, an essential skill to help alleviate any discomfort caused by swallowed air during feeding. Remember, every baby is different, so feel free to adapt these techniques to suit your little one's needs. Timing is crucial when it comes to burping your baby. You can do it during or after feeding, depending on what feels more comfortable for both of you. If your baby seems fussy or starts squirming during a feeding, it might be an indication that they need to burp. There are 3 common burping positions you can try, each with its benefits. Over the shoulder. Hold your baby upright against your chest, supporting their head and neck with your hand. Gently pat or rub their back with your other hand. Make sure to use soft and slow motions. Sitting on your lap. Sit down and place your baby on your lap, facing away from you. Support their chest and head with one hand and use the other to pat or rub their back gently. Face down on your lap. Tummy time burping. Lay your baby face down on your lap, making sure their head is slightly elevated. Support their chin and chest with one hand and use the other to pat or rub their back. Whichever position you choose, remember to keep your touch gentle and your movements slow to avoid any discomfort for the baby. Here's the technique you can use for burping a baby. Patting method. Use your hand to softly pat the baby's back, starting from the bottom and moving upward. You can alternate between patting and rubbing to see which method your baby prefers. Rubbing method. With your hand, make circular motions on the baby's back, moving from the bottom to the upper back. Your baby may release gas through a burp or a soft, contented sigh after a successful burping session. Remember that every baby is different, and some may not burp audibly at all. As long as your baby appears comfortable and content after feeding, that's a good sign. Burping your baby is an essential part of feeding and can help prevent discomfort caused by swallowed air. Remember to be patient and gentle, and don't worry if you don't hear a burp every time. If you have any concerns or questions about your baby's feeding or burping, don't hesitate to reach out to your pediatrician for guidance and reassurance. Thank you for watching our guide on how to burp a newborn baby. We hope this information has been helpful to you and your little one. Remember, the key is to create a loving and comforting environment for your baby as they adjust to this new world. Happy parenting!